So guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make up to 300 naira or 250 per friend you invite to this app. It's a new app. The app has been trending for, let's say, for months now. So I have to speak about it because I have just tried it out and it's working. So as you can see now, I'm using my phone to record. So that means you can do this with your phone anywhere, and I don't know but it works in Nigeria. So the name of this app is called Branch. We know this app. Maybe you know it or you have heard about the app. So simple as usual. You can go to your Play Store, search for Branch app, and download it. So let me just hop into the app and show you how it works. Okay. So Branch app. So this app, for example, now this app will pay you. Okay, let me remember. Okay, they will pay you 15 naira every day once you just put up to, once you fund the account up to 300 naira every day, they'll give you 15 naira bonus. So but where I earn my money, okay, I end up to 4,000 or 5,000 is, let me show you. For example, when you invite a friend, I know all of us have friends, like maybe we are in let's say secondary school, university. We get friends now. Like when you invite your friend, tell him, CCO boss, if you invite a friend in this app, you gain 300 or 250. Because when I started it was 250, but today when I log in again I saw 300. So that's a nice amount. 300 naira per friend. Imagine if you have, okay, imagine if you have up to, let's say, 20 friends. So let's just calculate it to know how much you'll be earning in this app. So let's say, where's my calculator? Let's say you have up to 20 friends. 300 times 20 of your friends is how much? 6,000. Most of us have, let's say you want to post it on Facebook. Okay, let's say 18 have up to you hit up to 50 people. Is how much? 15,000. And let me tell you, the most fun part is that you gain 300 and your friends also will gain 300. So it's not only you that we gain. So for example now, let me log in again. For example now, if you use my code now, as you can see, if you use my code now, I will gain 300, you gain 300. Before my friend told me to join, I was like, oh, I refuse because they said I should put my BVN, so I was very scared. But I prefer this app more than Piggyverse. It's not as if I hate Piggyverse, so, but that app is kind of stressful for me. Imagine I was just linking my debit card, and they beat me 100 naira. Can you imagine? Just only linking my card though. Then 200 naira for me. But this app is not. So I was just linking my app and then 200 naira. I was just linking my card and then 200 naira for me. I was very sad. I was just mad. Okay, just imagine them taking 100 naira from millions of people in Nigeria. Just check how much it will be. But this app is free, and the fun part is that you can do free transfer in this app. You can do free transfer without 10 naira being charged. You can add your card without even then taking any 10 naira. You can send money, send a request from this app. Everything is free. Still yet, when you invite a friend, you get 300, and your friend to get 300. So guys, you can use my code. I will get 300, you will get 300. So that is it. So I don't know, this app is mainly for people that have a lot of friends. So if you have up to 20 friends, 50 friends, millions of friends, send it to them. You'll be making a lot of money from this app. So I just said I should update you guys about this app. It's legit and it's working. And the most fun part is that it can do free transfer. Like that one is my most fun part. I can do free transfer to anybody I want to. And also I will be earning 15 naira every day once I put 300 naira in my account. And also when I tell my friend about it, now we love free money. I will give them, they will get 300, I will get 300. They will give their friend to they will get 300, and then their friend too will get 300. So that's the fun, easy money. It's very easy to confuse someone to join. So as you can see, any bonus up to 300 when you invite a friend. So you can use my my code. You get 300, I will get 300. So thanks for watching. I just should update you guys on this app. So you should try it out today. So thank you. Let me just cut the record now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you for watching. Thank you.